Hey, what is up guys, David here, and this is gonna be actually my very first video in YouTube, and I am here with my girlfriend Kim, and together we're gonna be
Spray painting!
spray painting. Yes, we're gonna be spray painting my phone case actually, so that we can make it look unique. So let's go ahead and we'll show you how to paint the case, guys.
First of all, guys, we want to start sanding this with either Scotch-Brite, or if you don't have Scotch-Brite, you can always use sandpaper. The reason we're doing that is because we want to get rid of the protective layers that is on this plastic cover. And if we get rid of that, the paint will stick even more and will last longer on this plastic cover. So here's a little insight on how we actually do it in real life. So, when you start scrubbing your phone case with either Scotch-Brite or sandpaper, make sure you get all into the little corners around your phone case. And a little tip, don't apply so much pressure when you're scrubbing the phone case because we want to achieve this matte and smooth finish that we are looking for.
Once you're done sanding your plastic cover, we're gonna proceed to the next step. Normally, we're gonna prime the plastic first with plastic primer. Since I didn't find any plastic primer in our local hardware, we're gonna skip to the next step. The next step is we're gonna start painting our plastic. So once we start painting, we're gonna do thin layer of coats and we're gonna do it twice. So let me show you how we do it.
Before you start painting your case, you want to make sure that you are in a clean and dust-free area because we want to achieve that smooth and clean texture that we are looking for in our casing. So a little tip before you start painting, you want to be 8 and 12 inches away from the case or the surface that you are painting on because we want to avoid the paint to water and spread all over to avoid clumpiness of the paint. Another tip, only spray with one direction because when we do this, we don't want the paint to water and ruin everything. So you can change the direction of the spray painting once you're done with only one direction. And never spray in only one specific area of the case because this will ruin the entire smoothness of the phone.
So once we're done painting our plastic cover, we're gonna proceed to the next step, which is applying the clear coat. Now, you can use any kind of clear coat as long as you use the same base. If you use acrylic paint, you should use acrylic base clear coat too. So yeah, so we're gonna apply 2 layers of clear coat and we're gonna do it the same way, one stroke, like we were painting the plastic cover. So here's a little insight in how I did this.
Once you're done with everything else, make sure to let the paint rest for a good 4 to 7 days and then you can apply the clear coat. And just repeat all the steps as you would when you are painting with spray paint. So, this is how we painted this phone case and I think you should leave us a thumbs up because I think we did a really good job, right?
Yes, and if you want to see more future videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell beside it in order to be notified for more future videos. And don't forget to check out Kim's channel. Link will be down in the description below. And as always guys, thank you for watching and till next time.